All right, here we go. Gonna do just a quick checking the feet per second on the Precision 1. 45 Colt ammo running through the Rossi survival rifle. Just see what the difference is. These are coming out at 830 feet per second, 255 grain full metal jacket. And after that, we're gonna do a quick little penetration expansion test, if any, on them as well. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. $879. $886. $919. Let's go one more. $865. That is on the box. These are $830. So we didn't get much of an increase in speed at all with these. Precision 1, 45 Colt, roughly 50 yards. Gonna do just hitting the water, and got some 2x6s behind it. Just kind of curious to see if we're gonna get any penetration on this on the 2x6s. So here we go. Well, no, we're not going. Battery just went dead. Hang on, I'll be right back after these messages from our sponsor.
Range maintenance and feeder area maintenance. For all your feeder maintenance, landscaping needs, and range maintenance, Smoky Oak, makers of fine products, are offering this service for you at a low charge special this week. Instead of a case of beer, only an 18-pack of beer. Alright, we're back after the battery break. Yeehaw. Here we go. Alright. Alright, here we go. We got splash that on the water. That does not look like we hit the boards. We did go in through the top. Here we go. Into the second pair of jeans. We did hit the water. We did not hit the boards. But we did, I guess it slowed it down. And caught it in two pair of jeans at the top because they were going higher than the boards. Not any damage at all shooting it through the rifle barrel. As y'all see though, the feet per second did not increase on these whatsoever. We got a little bit of damage on the head of it, on the point, but nothing to write home about. We definitely got a lot of burn going on around that, as you see. So as a Precision 1, definitely just a plinking round is what I would call it. That's about it. Really ain't nothing else to do. I mean, I ain't gonna take this back and measure it because I'm pretty sure it's the exact same weight that it was. Is this a solid copper core? It's possible. That would be why they're worth so much. Copper is worth more than what you think. But anyway, here we go. We did get the catch. And like I said, so we got the feet per second, which was no change. Alright, here we go with the Precision 1s. We got the feet per second, which shooting out the Rossi survival rifle barrel. Didn't really have, I mean, we had about 50, 60 feet increase on feet per second, somewhere in there, 70 feet per second. And Didn't get any more extra thump. No expansion. No, well, like I said, that's a copper full metal jacket, so it ain't gonna damage. It ain't gonna do too much. So now the precision ones. So there you go. If you're wondering what they do, that is what they do. At about 50 yards, hitting water and tucking away in 2 pair of jeans. So thanks for watching on this comparison video of comparing nothing.